Once you have added a new course, it will be available in the pending section for courses which have not been approved yet, and after the course is approved, it will be available under the courses section. In either cases, you will notice a new option called add new dates added below every course that you have added to the directory. To add dates, click here. You will notice the course name has been populated automatically. Then add all the details that you need to add about the upcoming dates and upcoming time. The course format, whether the sessions are online, offline, what is the payment link. If you are an institute who is connected with your employees or people who are working with you, their details will be available under this particular drop down. You can select them as a trainer, and this course will be available both under your profile and the profile of the lead trainer. And then you can click submit. Once you click submit, the course will be submitted, or the dates will be submitted, and those dates will once again be available below the course as upcoming dates. Now, in case in future you want to edit these dates for whatever reason, then you'll have an edit course button over here. And if you want to delete the dates and remove the dates from the directory, then you can simply delete it over here.